Tennessee. 5-bedroom home on 14 plus acres with multiple barns, workshop, and rolling pasture. This spacious 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath home sits on a generous corner lot with over 14 acres, offering the kind of country setting that so many dream of. Whether you're looking for a place to raise animals, grow your own food, or simply enjoy peaceful rural living, this property delivers space, functionality, and charm in equal measure. The exterior features are a standout: a detached garage with an attached workshop and a large pole barn provide over 2,000 square feet of space for vehicles, tools, and equipment. In addition, you'll find a second wooden pole barn and a log barn with a lean-to, giving you endless options for storage, livestock housing, or converting into specialty workspaces. This property is ready-made for anyone looking to operate a small farm, keep horses, or manage other livestock. The land itself is a blend of rolling pasture, mature woodland, and shaded areas, creating a diverse and beautiful landscape. Established fruit trees, blackberry vines, and a large garden area make it easy to cultivate your own fresh produce. A comfortable patio space invites you to relax outdoors and take in the surrounding natural beauty. Inside, the home features floor-to-ceiling oak cabinets that provide both ample storage and a warm, inviting feel. The gas log fireplace adds comfort and charm, making the living space a cozy retreat on cool Tennessee evenings. With 5 bedrooms, there's plenty of room to grow into or customize to your liking, whether you want a home office, guest rooms, or hobby spaces. Despite its private, peaceful setting, the property is located just minutes from in-town amenities, offering the perfect balance between seclusion and convenience. You can enjoy the quiet of country living while still being close enough to shops, restaurants, and schools for everyday needs. With multiple barns, generous acreage, and a well-laid-out home, this property offers endless possibilities. Whether you envision it as a working farm, a hobby homestead, or simply a spacious family retreat in the countryside, it's ready to become your perfect Tennessee haven.